15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Katakana English 2, School, Work Edition. This is my notebook. That means a paper notebook. What should I say? It is a laptop. It is a laptop. Do you have a sharp pencil? That sounds unnatural. What do you call it in English? It is a mechanical pencil. It is a mechanical pencil. Today is Viking. That expression does not work. What do people say in English? It is a buffet. It is a buffet. I will wear a jersey. That means sportswear for games. What should I say for casual wear? It is a tracksuit. It is a tracksuit. I am the handle keeper tonight. That phrase is not used. What is the natural expression? I am the designated driver. I am the designated driver. Skinship is important. That is Japanese English. How do you express it in English? Physical affection. Physical affection. Please ask the front. That may confuse people. What should I say at a hotel? The reception desk. The reception desk. We have morning service. That is hard to understand in English. What sounds natural? It is a breakfast special. It is a breakfast special. Please turn on the aircon. That shortened word is unclear. What is the full expression? It is an air conditioner. It is an air conditioner. I got my salary today. The meaning is close but different. What sounds more natural? I got my paycheck. I got my paycheck. Check the back mirror. English uses another expression. What do you call it? It is a rear-view mirror. It is a rear-view mirror. Do you have a cooler box? That sounds a little unnatural. What is the English term? It is an ice chest. It is an ice chest. Please lend me tape. That word is too broad. What should I say specifically? It is Scotch tape. It is Scotch tape. Please open the hood. The word changes by country. What do British people say? It is a bonnet. It is a bonnet. I do desk work. That sounds slightly unnatural. How would you say it naturally? I do office work. I do office work. It is an ice chest. It is an ice chest. It is Scotch tape. It is Scotch tape. It is a bonnet. It is a bonnet. I do office work. I do office work. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.